Right, in problem number 10, we're asked to find the inverse for each of the following functions. Part A here gives us function j of x equal to negative 5 over x minus 3. So a systematic way to find the inverse of a function is, let's start with the notation. It's written in function notation j of x, and we'll change this back to y and equal to negative 5 over x minus 3. Remember that the function notation, this represents the output, so does y. Okay, these are interchangeable here. So now the next thing that I want to do is to swap the x and y positions. So the next step down is, let's see, x equal to negative 5 over y minus 3. Okay, so now the process that I'll take from this point is to solve for I want to solve for y. Right now it's solved for x. I want to get y all by itself. So the first thing I can do is multiply the right side by quantity y minus 3. Do the same thing on the left side. So what happens is, on the right side, this eliminates the denominator, and the result, next line down, is quantity y minus 3 times x equal to negative 5. Next is divide both sides by x. So this should eliminate the x on the left side, and the result is y minus 3 equal to negative 5 over x. All right, and then let's see, add 3 to both sides. All right, so this eliminates the 3 on the left side. All right, so the result is y equal to negative 5 over x plus 3. Now to write this in function, inverse notation, it's in function notation, but I want to write the inverse, then it would be, in this case, j, and then this is your symbol here. It's the inverse j of x equal to, and instead of, basically I'm going, instead of the y down here, I've replaced it with this inverse function notation, and then the right side is still the same. Plus 3. Alright, so the inverse of j of x is negative 5 over x plus 3.